Low temperature in winter, rainy weather, plum rain season. Clothes are hard to get dried once washed. Long-time humidity would easily breed mold. It would be in vain to wash your clothes. Foldable dryer would be a perfect choice for you and your family. High-density, fashionable cover with great sealing effect. Prevent dust from re-contaminating your clothes. 3-story structure features large capacity space. Easy to accommodate the whole family clothes. The waterproof touch panel is applied for the main engine, equipped with a wireless remote control function. The 2-speed winds with adjustable duration. High-power quick drying function, free from long-time drying process. Besides, it features the Anion cleaning function, cool the mold, enabling deep cleaning effect for the clothes. The strengthened and thickened stainless steel pipe featuring strong and stable material can bear intense gravity.